Hello, my name is Cássio Eduardo and I will show you this game that I've worked last year. I did it for a game development presentation that I did, and it took me about a week to get at this stage, so don't have high expectations of it. Let's begin. I really want to apologize about my English because I'm a Portuguese speaker, so it's kinda hard to speak. It's kind of sluggish because of the recording, and I'm running it on a really bad laptop. Here you have an inventory screen. You can equip items, you can attack other people, hurt them, kill them. Yeah, bad. The enemy AI is really simple. If you enter his line of sight, he will follow you and attack you when it's close enough. Really simple. Like, these animations are in different sprites, of course, so you can equip other items like this. It's a per frame animation, so for each frame of this animation you have a position assigned to them. So the sword in this case can be in any position that you like, or any other item like hats or armor or anything that you want to attach to him. We'll show you the debugging level so you can see the bounding boxes, the line of sight. See, the enemy can't see holes in the ground. He's really smart. Just runs towards you. So that's about it. I will show you now the level editor that I created. So this is it. Before I started doing this level editor, I was thinking in using like Java Swing to do the UI stuff, like you can just drag and drop, right? But at that day, Libgdx, which is the library I'm using for this, released this UI stuff. It was, I just wanted to use it. Don't know why. Make my work harder. You have to hard code out the positions and stuff instead of drag and drop. I'm not really a smart person. So a month later, they released a new version of it. As I use the SVN, I get updated instantly. It wasn't like a final version. It was a trunk version. And I downloaded it. It screwed all my work, so this is why this list is in this state. But anyway, there are other weird things in the UI right now, so ignore it, as I will. Here you can place entities like auto cards. You can resize them, make them ugly. You can put arguments. That is a button after this text box, but like I said, it's not showing because of the update. So, but I could add like items like sword, or whatever. And when I placed it, it will be right here. So it could be equipped to him, or he can drop it. Depends on the arguments you pass, like equip entity over there, or drop. So he will drop. You can name him, like you can put tiles and everything. You can put it in a grid so it's better. And a thing about these entities, what is the difference between entities and the tiles? First, the entities are rendered last. Like if I put a tile in the foreground here and an entity here, the entity will be rendered after the tile thing, so the tile are really useless. No, it's not. But the Castlevania level that I showed you before, it's done entirely with entities, like the entrance, because you have, instead of putting like tile by tile, you just load an image and put it there. You can resize it, like with real scaling, you could put different sizes like this. This is in the wrong scale, of course, but this, no, just no Alucard, for example. I could put 20 or 200 and just put him there. It's really good scale. About how physics work in this game. Player can't touch nothing really. If you put a tile over here and the player is falling, he will just pass through it and fall. You have to put like a bounding thing, like ground, which is like this. Click, drop, and the player will collide with it. Why I did this? Because it's really optimized for like Android and things. If you have like a scene like this, you have collisions everywhere, and it's not good performance wise, but it's hard for the level designer, so you have to place bounds everywhere, like here and here. I did really bad design choices for the UI, like for you to delete a tile, for example, you have to choose which kind of thing you want to delete. Zero is for tiles, 1 is for physics, 2 is for entities. This is in a different layer, like mid-ground or foreground or background. So it's background. These are background too, this one too. So, but if I am in a bounding thing, I can't change this type, and I can't delete anything. I have to leave it and choose. This is really bad design. But I'm not working with this UI anymore. I will use swing next time, so nothing to worry about. That's about it. Oh no, let me show you loading. It all loads in an XML file. It's really... I did not put a button like here to show the boundings, like these whitey things. I have to disable it by code, which is really stupid of my part. This is the level, Castlevania level, like you can see the physics where they are, just place it them, and it's not physics everywhere around the scene. I did really good optimization so it can run on Android, low-end Android, really fast. It runs 60 frames on my Android, which is not bad, and it can load lots of stuff like 5,000, 10,000 things. Of course, it will render off anything that is at the screen, so everything that's off the screen will not render. This is the really basic thing. So that's it, the game and the editor for it. The reason I did this thing was to show you, oops, was to show you some work that I've done. This is not the first game that I did, and I want to say that I am starting this new project, which will be my first commercial project. And I've been working in the game design for a week now, and I will start programming and not doing the art, I hope, soon. And in like a month or two, I can show you my progress. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.